friends, hello and welcome to our May 20th unboxing. Hope everybody's doing well. Yeah, I've got 3 boxes today. If you're joining me for unboxing for the first time, which I don't think, well, maybe some of you are, but what unboxing is that my dolls and most of the clothes are made over Vancouver Island, and they come over to me in Vancouver, and I unbox them and we see what's inside. So I already have 10 dolls for Friday that I got from Bridget that I was working on yesterday. So I have those, and then we'll see what other dolls come in. Okay, so let's get into this guy. I'm gonna just move this over. Okay, and we'll see what's in here. Okay. All right. Okay, so, very exciting. I've got some pantaloons because I need these for dressing. Always exciting for me. Oh, very cute. So I had an idea for a sitting friend outfit because we always have them in dresses. So I thought we would do this like cute little sitting friend top and bottom, right? In like the more like a neutral fabric kind of, but isn't that cute? So it's like a top and then this sweet little pantaloony. Very, very cute. It's so fun. It's like, so Audrey, she always gives me like how many things I can get out of 1 meter of fabric, just so that I know how much to buy and stuff. And it is surprising. Like, so 1 meter of fabric can get me 2 Forever Friend dresses. So it's like I have to like put that in my head when I'm like buying and making. Anyway, then I've got some eggs. So these are for me. I'm lucky I get eggs every week. Okay, so I've got, this beautiful girl here. She's beautiful. And then I have this beautiful blue girl. So these are some little friends. Put them in a bucket here. We have quite a bit of blue, I think, because we had quite a bit of blue hand spun, so we seem to have lots of blue lately. And then this little pastel rainbow. And then I've got this beautiful pinky girl. Oh, she's gorgeous. Look at her. And then I have this dark-haired girl with the purple highlights. Very cute. And if you're commenting and saying anything, I can't see again the comments. I'm so sorry. This cute blue, kind of multi-blue, that's gonna be I'm so excited she did that. So this is gonna be like a bob, like a nice layered bob on a little friend. Won't that be cute? Like layers, bright like pink cheeks, freckles. I can see it already. I'm very, very excited about this one. So there's her. And then, oh God, look at this. This is spectacular hair. See that? Very nice. And then, oh my gosh, look at this one too. So pretty. That one. So much hair. Whew. Wow, so many little friends today. And then this girl here. So obviously these won't all be going up on Friday. I have, yeah, these will be kind of scattered in the next couple weeks. There's this girl. And, oh, I love this one. She's pretty. What a gorgeous color. And then lots of gingies. This ginger and this ginger. Wow, there's like a whole bunch of gingers. Very cute. I love gingers. And then this beautiful blonde. She's really pretty too. And then I have this one. Oh my gosh, this just keeps going and going and going. This girl. And then another blondie who's very similar to the other one. So we've got these ones. Excellent. Okay, so I've got those dolls. And then in here I actually just have body parts and wool. And this is for Bridget. So dolls. And I put this over here. Oh. I'm moving a little bit awkward today because I did something. My shoulder's always bothering me. Like it's always been bugging me, but I think I did something really not good to it. Because it's like, I don't want to say I have frozen shoulder, but I think I might have frozen shoulder. Anyway, if anybody has any tips on how to like, what to do, because it is like, yeah, it's been hard to sleep because it's just like this achy pain. Oh my gosh, I saw the gardening. Okay, so I've got this box. Oh, all right, let's see what's in here. Like this movement, I can't really do. Okay, go here. Oh. Okay. So, oh, cute things. So these, oh, we've got some cute little clothes. So I've got this little Buddy Pico dress, and these will be in the next clothing upload. This really cute gingham. Love this one. And then, oh, I'm excited about this. These very sweet overalls. So they're really fun. So we've got like sloths, more Care Bears, and these kitty cats. So very cute. So this stuff will be in the clothing upload in a couple weeks. And then I have some sweaters. That's for me, for dressing, for little buddies. Some random heads. What's happening here? I'm not sure what's going on here. Got some, but I'm sure Audrey will tell me later. So I've got some heads there. And then we've got more dolls. So, oh, this one's so pretty. This blonde little buddy. And I've got this ginger little buddy. And her. And then her. And this sitting friend. Oh, she's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love the sitting friends. They're just so cute. Hello. Oh, and hello you. Oh, you've got bangs. So there's her. I'm gonna give her a bob because her hair's short, so she's gonna have a bob and bangs. And then there's this gorgeous girl, mixed boucle. Oh, another little buddy. And then this girl here, she's beautiful as well. And this girl, purple hair. It is a bumper crop of dolls today because we